this video, I will show you how to create this golden paint effect on the model in Photoshop. Please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon will help us to make more and more video tutorials for you. So let's get started with the video tutorial. First, let's select and duplicate the model image. We can select the subject option and again duplicate the model selection with Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. Next, under filter, we need to select raw camera filter here. In this raw camera panel, we need to increase the temperature. Next, we can select highlight and move all other options like whites, clarity and vibrance along with saturation. Once we are satisfied with the golden color, we save the changes. To remove the golden color on the hairs, we can erase the gold color hair here. And we are done with this video process. Hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button to get updates.